You are warmly welcome to our tutorial for today. It promises to be an interesting one. Today we are going to carry out what we call the overview of Autocad. So, from Samsung Design Center, we have very good features for you. We have video tutorials on Autocad 2D and 3D, Inventor tutorial videos. We have Plan 3D designs, and we also have what we call the Adobe Photoshop. We also have the PDMS, and finally we have that of the PowerPoint. But the ones we are taking care of for now is the AutoCAD 2D and 3D, and also Inventor. As time goes on, more video tutorial will come up for the Plan 3D design, Adobe Photoshop, the PDMS, PowerPoint. So you do well to visit us at Samsung Design Center on YouTube, and do well to subscribe. More and more videos will be coming, so that the more you share and subscribe, you get your alert of that when the videos will come. So, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software program used to create blueprints for buildings, bridges, and computer shapes, among other things. Discover how AutoCAD is used by drafters and other professionals. So you can see AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software. Whether it's computer sheets, building bridges, a whole lot. AutoCAD can do a lot for you. Okay, what is the difference between AutoCAD and CAD? CAD, computer aided design, it is a generic term for any software that can create 2D and 3D technical drawings. So any software which can create 2D, 3D drawings is referred to as CAD. But AutoCAD is the name of a proprietary software of the same use created in 1982 by Autodesk. So this software in general is used to create and manipulate geometric shapes into specific designs. So it is a complex software and very, very manipulative. Okay, haven't seen the so why do we use AutoCAD then? It is used for detailed engineering of 3D models or 2D drawings of physical components. It's also used throughout engineering processes for conceptual design. Want to draw a plant, a process, be it what may, layout of product through strength and dynamic analysis of assemblies to definition of manufacturing method of components. You want to create a mold for forging, want to create just the AutoCAD software can give you what you want. And this dynamic analysis, especially of assemblies, is really, really unique. You are going to enjoy the use of software. If you don't have one, please do it to have one and install it. But then, who invented AutoCAD and when? In 1982, John Walker and 12 other programmers, they pulled about $59,000 to start Autodesk and began working on several computer applications. So the first to be completed was AutoCAD, and a software application that's for aiding designs and drafting. Prior to this time, there were other software being used. But when John Walker and 12 other programmers came together, they decided to evaluate, review, and work out and brought out what we have as Autodesk AutoCAD. Okay? Since 1982, what has happened then? AutoCAD has developed very well. Presently, we have AutoCAD architecture, building, civil, electrical, SCAD, Map 3D, mechanical designs, a lot of mechanical design, map, structural detailing, then for utility designs, most interesting P&ID, piping and instrument drawings, which must be read and used when building and installing process plants. We have plant 3D, which most like a PDMS, and it is very manipulative. So when it comes to discipline, specific discipline enhancement, Autodesk have gone far. They are in integrating level of getting more review done, and it has assisted them a lot. So let us now see some of the preview from 1982 download. Okay, previously official name was Autocad version 1.0, and in 1982 December we have just the call Arrow 1 file format. But as the years goes by, in 1985 we have the Arrow 2.1 file format. Then in 1992 they now have the Arrow 1.1 and Arrow 12 file formats, which was released for Apple Macintosh till 2010. And what happened next? As the days goes by, more reviews are being carried out, and these reviews help them to see the need of improving in it. So that is why by 1994 they have the OS support of it. At the same time, MS-DOS and Windows 3.11. As the years also goes by and more reviews are being carried out, in 2006 we now have 2007 file format. Then in 2008 we have the revision to user interface, which include tab ribbons. These tab ribbons make it more and more interesting and easier. Then in 2010 we now have the Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7 support of it. Prior to this time, it was difficult installing Autocad on Windows Vista, but good to Autodesk and their review at the end, we can easily carry out our parametric drawing, both 3D. Okay, as the years goes by, more and more features are being uh, incorporated into the Autocad. We have the file tab, design field, reality capture, Autodesk life maps, light smoothing, Windows 8.1 support added. Then they now drop Windows XP support. However, in 2016 to 17, you can now import PDF files, associated center marks and center lines, DirectX 11 graphics. So these are some of the features that have been incorporated into the AutoCAD 2017/18. Okay, let's take a brief look at the interface. We have the ribbons here, which is number one, and the ribbons contains some of the tools. We have the menu browser, which we always call the menu bar. You click on them, you have a drop down, or a different one, different ribbons will appear with different tools. Sometimes tools are repeated. We have the steering wheel number three, and this steering wheel in itself can help so that when you click on it, it can revolve your object at different angles so that you can see the shapes of the other side, to which normally is not visible to you. We have the info center that tells you what you need to do. You can search for product and the rest. We have the tool palette, which is number five. The tool palette here contains a lot of tools that you can use to draw within the workspace. It ranges from the architect to mechanical, electrical, so on and so forth. We have the command prompt, which is one of the most important. Take note of this very part of it, because when you are working with AutoCAD workspace or interface, it will prompt you, what do you want to do? You click on polygon, and what do you expect it to do? Well, it will help you a lot to ensure that you can get what you need. It will ask for dimension, it will ask a lot of questions directing you where you can get to your destination. We have the viewport, and the viewport here can help us a lot, especially when we want to complete our drawings, look at the two drawings here. It is split into two. You can see one below and the one above. Even if you are working on the one above, it will be reflecting on the one below. That is the work of viewport. We have the status bar, which is number 8. There are some tools at the status bar that helps you to get your viewport and other commands in the rightful place. Then we have number 9, which is the show motion. It is arranged in such a way that it is kind of animated. It will help you to appreciate the motion when you are carrying out your drawing. We have number 10, which is the view cube. If you click at each angle, it rotates your object. It rotates it, and whatever angle you need, it will take you there. We have the quick access toolbar, which is number 11, quick access toolbar. So if you click on it, it can quickly get to your open, save, plot, undo. You can remove some of them or add some according to your need. We have the action recorder, which is number 12. It can record, say, automatically repeat drafting and editing tasks by recording action micros. Okay, so these are just a brief overview of it. And what happened next? We are going to see from our interface. Now this is the paper we use for drawing. This is showing that A0 is large, A0 is twice large, bigger than A1, A1 twice bigger than A2, likewise to A3, A4. So twice of A4 will make one of A3. So when you are done with your drawing in AutoCAD, then what you need to do is choose your paper, or you can set it up from the beginnings on a page manager setup, and to enable you to set the paper you always want for continuous printing, especially the one you are very used to. So look at some of the dimensions we have here for our A0 to A7. So you feel free to get exactly what you want. Let's now have an overview of what we have gone through. AutoCAD. You have AutoCAD 2D. We have AutoCAD 3D. In AutoCAD 2D, we have Autocad, we have Arcadisol. In AutoCAD 3D, we also have the same thing, Autocad and Arcadisol. Okay, what is Autocad? It's simply an imperial form of measurement. Uses inches, feet, yard. While Arcadisol uses the metric form of measurement, millimeter, centimeter, meters, kilometer. That is why when you click on Stats on your interface of the AutoCAD, you must first and foremost choose your form of measurement. What do you want at the end of the day? Is it to be in metric or imperial?